Myntri ka tanat boarding ka Sarkar Jilla u Abu Tahir Mondal ula ong baki ka Maramot Jong ka Umïam Stage 1 Dam la ban Pyndep Hashuwa ban sedang ka Lyïur. Ula ong baka jing sam tliu kadang yaj bat ban pej ya ka jinglong jingman Jong ka deubilat kumju ban pej hadu katnu kadon ka jing pei. Myntri ula ong ru bakandon ka jingkhang ya ka yaj ka yeng jong ki kali ondalara ya ka jingking ban bujli ya ki bering. Myntri ula ong baka Sarkar Jilla ka bu thong baka ni ka kam ka dei ban yaj ringkat bat ka Sarkar kala ong syaki ban ya ka jing penbet lada la haka kela ban ningkong ni khat sansngi jong urimpang. Umandal ula kerpat ru ya ki nonglek nongwan ban kiar na ka jing yakni parakali bat buat renti ya ki kendon ban laj na ka jing dheng kali.
No, we have restricted all heavy vehicles already. We allow the light vehicles. So in that light vehicles also there are some vehicles like pickups and all these things. They carry sometimes a heavy load. Not that heavy, but during the lifting, those will be fully stopped. We are expecting and we are trying our level best to see that it is completing before the monsoon arrives. We are looking after this bridge because of the dam. Otherwise, the entire portion of the road belongs to PWD. And I have discussed with the Secretary and Chief Engineer of PWD also to find out whether that bridge can be utilized or not. But see, layman's idea is that that bridge has been abandoned for quite a long time. And those times the load factor was completely different. So the entire steel structure is intact or not. And even the abutment, whether that is intact or not. But many onlooker or the people there, they told me that that bridge is not motorable.
Undong ay kitin ka Sarkar Jilla but